Hey everybody, so we're back out here at the old storage space. Said the sun was supposed to come out, but it's not. It's like 40 something. It's supposed to get cold again and rainy, so I thought, why don't we drag this frame out here one more time and let's get the swing arm off and a few of the little extra bits that are on there so I can go get it powder coated. I think me and Easy Rider are going to go out maybe sometime next week and drop. He's got a frame and I got this frame, so let's get into it. We'll see you in a minute. Oh, God, so heavy. Careful, smash yourself in the junk. That peg. All right. Not quite sure what we're gonna do yet. What are you doing over there? Let's get in over here. Dig your teeth in. All right, why don't we take off the shock mounts and everything. It's gonna spin on me. Yeah. Let me grab some wrenches and we'll get this off. All right, for the actual shock mounts, the back nut is 15/16. Come on. There we go. There's one. And this one's an Allen. It does look like there's a nut back there. Let's what size are we going with here? What's that say? I don't know, can't read it. It's that size. There we go. Okay. And I won't be using these over. I have brand new ones on the bike, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, let's just do the other side. Easy peasy. Does that one have a nut? Oh, that one's got a nut on the back of it, of course. What we got, 9/16? Oh, nice. First time. Come on. There we go. Oh, what the hell is that? That fell out of there. What is that? Some kind of block. I don't know. That was weird. There's welded nuts on the back of these. This one doesn't have a welded nut, so something happened to it. Who knows? Let's take off whatever this is. It kind of looks like it might be for a key switch. It's weird. I mean, I don't know. I think I'm just going to leave mine where it was before. It's another Allen. What size is this one? That's the one. I can't read it either. Too small. Oh! Why don't we get out our T-handle set? Here I am using this junk. Hang on. Yeah, remember a couple of weeks ago I bought this? Comes with a nice little holder. SAE and metric. See that? Alright. Let's try that. So I don't know what size that was. It was something. I can read these. 5/32. Nope. One bigger. 3/16 it looks like. Is there nuts on the bottom of this thing? No, it actually looks like maybe that's where the key switch goes in 71. Oh, nice T-handle. It's working pretty good. We'll have to take a look at it. Maybe I do. Oh, these are also got the ball end on them too. Maybe we relocate the key switch. I don't know. It's all set up on my engine, so I think that's just where we're gonna leave it. But I don't know what this is. Comment below if you know what this is. Looks like, yeah. Even look, it's even got a, so it's a D. It's got one side, so it can't spin. That's got to be the key. All right, rid of that junk. There's some kind of, you guys see this too? All right here. Some kind of little plate or something. I don't know what that is. Let's get that off too. Find my screwed driver. Is there a nut under there? There's a nut under there. All right. So that's gone. Why don't we get rid of, can you see where my hand is? Why don't we get rid of these rubber isolators? Let's get a pair of vice grips or channel locks here, and we'll pull that off. Sure. Okay. There we go. Now it's coming out of there. Oh no! We ripped it off. That's alright, because I'll just grab a hold of it right here on the end. Let me adjust my pliers a little bit more. Get off there. Alright. Now we'll... man, it moves so easy with the vice grips. There we go. Let's move you. Let's see what I'm doing over here. Where is it? We're gonna have to chase those threads. They're nasty. Let's see if we can get this other one off. That guy, right there. It should be the same thing. There should be a welded nut on the inside. There we go. Yeah, see, that's how they're supposed to come off. Just real easy like. Yeah, perfect. All right. Let's get that seat bolt out. The fuck? A Torx or Starbit? Are you serious? Wow. Well, we'll change that. That's crazy. Oh, goodbye. All right. Ah, yeah, you can see we got some surface rust going on. As I said, no big deal, because we're taking it to go get done anyways. What else do we have left here? I guess really the only thing we really have left is a swing arm. Well, let me turn this thing around and we'll pull the swing arm off. I definitely want to video this because mine is weird, because I was missing a piece, or not missing a piece, but it was on the other one. It's like it didn't want to move, or it kind of bound up with. So anyways, I said all that to say, let's take this apart and film it. Well, I can tell you one thing. We're missing the little weird clip that holds this in. That's all right. I've got one on the other one. Pretty sure you take off the big nut first here. Hey. Good.
Working on it again.
Yes.
Yes. How is that? Update me. You have the frame.
See the manager over here. She's pretty nice. She watched me build this whole thing from parts in a cave. Tony Stark built this in a cave with scraps. Sir, I'm not Tony Stark. All right, maybe we should try and find a ratchet. Oh, that's a little big. That's 15/16. Let's go down to 7/8. That's it. That's the one. There we go. Oh, and you got to hold it from the other side. There we go. Ah, there we go. I forget how this all goes together and comes apart. It's been a while. It's been like a year and a half. I don't even remember. Huh. How's that held in there? All right, well, we got the swing arm bolt out. Let me there's extra junk in here. Bearings, whatnot. I forget everything that's in here. Let me turn this around. Let's see what we got going on inside of there. It looks like we got to use some kind of drift or something. Let's see what I got in my bag here. I'm gonna hit you here. Damn. Keep bumping into you. Jesus. Oh no, I think that's gonna have to come off of there. Ooh, I'm getting hot. Hang on, let me look and I'll bring you right back. I think somebody peened it. You see that? I don't think that was me.
How dare you?
But let's try and push that back a little bit and see what happens. This has got to come off. This outer ring's got to come off so we can get this all out of here. Oh, it's moving. I saw it. It moved. Jesus. It's moving. We're going to get some new ones. I mean, these things are nasty. All right, is there enough that I can grab it now? Yeah. I'm sure there's a tool for this, and I'll make sure that I get that when we go to put these back on. Woo! All right. So that just held this piece in, which is for the race for the bearing. I don't know. I just watched somebody pull it off, and it was wiggling just like mine. It was stuck, and he's like, "There it is," and it just came off. So I don't really know. Although he did punch out the. Did he punch out the bearing on the other side? Let's just try this. There we go. Hammered out the swing arm, the bearing. Is this piece. You can see how, ew. And then I think this was like on the inside or something. Let's just do that to the other side. I'm just going to get all new bearings and pieces anyways. Buy an iron head, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Coming out? Is it? I don't know. Oh, I think. Did we get it? You guys can kind of see. Hey! There we go. We still got. Yeah, this is what I wanted to see. Was where do these pieces go? Oh yeah, we're gonna need a new bearing for sure. Oh, and there's a cover there. Okay. All right. That was like that with the notch on the top. Okay. All right, perfect. All right, let's get this. Let's see if we can get this kickstand off. I'm hoping. Let's turn this. Oh, Jesus. I am really beating you guys up today. There we go. There we go. Come on, you bastard. I almost had it. There we go. Alright. Oh! You guys see that? No, you can't see shit. Alright. Now we can... That's what that screw is for. Probably holding this pin in. Just pull the pin out. There we go. Alright, let's knock this cup off of here. That's the last thing. And I have new cups. There we go. Let's take a walk around here. And did we get everything? I think so. We got off that little thing. We got this off. We got all that off. Okay. All right. There we go. There's your thumbnail. She stripped and ripped. All right. So that's it. We got her all stripped down. Me and Easy Rider gonna make a trip. We'll get this all powder coated, and the next time you see it, we're going with a gloss black. We have a little bit of time. I was almost thinking like a dark charcoal or a matte black. Easy Rider thinks that matte looks dirty and kind of gross once it gets some grime on it. So tell me what you think. I think we're just probably gonna go gloss black. So all right, guys. I guess that's it. We got to wait for this to get done, and before I can do anything else. So we'll see you in the next one, all right? Easy. Hey, guys. We're out here. It's about 32 degrees. I'm working on, these are the foot pegs for my new 71 frame. Just polishing them up and cleaning them. So you can see it's kind of nasty a little bit. It's got some surface rust. These aren't actually too bad. I picked these up when I got the frame. These are like 60 bucks. Yeah, I'm just taking off the I hit myself in the face. Taking off the foot peg itself. And like I said, just cleaning them up. You can see right here. I don't really want to go to the storage space, so we're just working. It's like Sunday, kind of bored. Been here for like 2 weeks at home, just going crazy. So figured we'd come out here and work on this because it's got to get done. So I got to finish taking apart the frame, take off the swing arm, and that way we can go ahead and get it powder coated. But yeah, I got a few more things coming in. I got the whole turn signal set up that I was trying to get and everything. We'll do. I'm not sure what kind of video I'm gonna do next. Now maybe taking apart the swing arm. That's probably what we'll do. Is the next nicer day. This isn't too bad. Like I said, it's 32, but the next nicer day we'll come out here and take apart the swing arm and get it ready to give to old Easy Rider and help me get it powder coated. Anyways, just hanging out, doing some wrenching. We'll see you in the next one. All right, easy.
I am Iron Man.